Good morning, everyone. Today, once again, I am here to wish you a very happy Buddha Purnima. See, on my previous video, I have already shown you how to draw the outline and how to set the face of Lord Buddha, and the links are on I button. And in this video, I will teach you how you can finish the portrait with hair, ears, neck, and dress. This video is going to be very exciting. So let's start shading the rest of the part. So first of all, select one dark brown color for the edges of the neck area. Shade both the sides. Imagine the light source at this position. Now it will be easy for you to guess where the shadows are forming. Once done, now select one shade lighter brown color and try to start from the previous area and extend the area or do some extra areas. Once done, now select the lightest brown color and from the previous part till the rest part, fill all the area slowly, just like this. Now select a black color and give the dark shadow of the dress fold. Now recreate the shadows using a black color pencil so that the shadow must be very prominent. Once done, now blend all the area with a very light pink color. And for the ear, the darkest area should be done with the darkest brown color and the lighter area should be done with comparatively lighter brown colors. See, on I button the full tutorial for ear is available with different angles. You may have a look. Now for hair, select the dark brown color and give some concentric lines, and it must be curvy lines, and very beautifully you just cover all the area as I am doing on video. And once it is done, now select a black color pencil and do the same. That means draw some lines, curvy lines, just like this. Then take a gray color and cover the whole area, just like this. Now take a black color pencil and give the topmost layer for the realistic looking hair. Do the same thing for the top bun. Once done, now take a black pen and just give some lines on the top of the layer, and once again you blend all of them with a grey color pencil. Highlight some area with a white gel pen. Now it's time for dress. See, I have selected orange color or saffron color, and where it is the upper part of the cloth fold, it must be lighter orange color, and if it is the inside of the fold, then I'm going for darker orange color. And at the junction point of these two folds, I have used black color. Just observe it very carefully. At the case of black color, for giving a smooth result, I have used dark brown color also. Watch it very carefully. Once done, now I have selected a white glass pencil and give some light reflection on the nose tops and cheeks and on forehead. Now it's time for background, and for that I have selected one brush pen with maroon color. I have already filled it with watercolor mix water, and I'm trying to give the background, as you can see. Now it's time to give the ear more prominent look, and that's why I have used black color on both sides of the ears. So this is all about today's video. See you tomorrow with a new video. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. Also select the bell notification, cause I used to come with such interesting art videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you on tomorrow. Till then, take care and enjoy. Bye.